Hi friends, welcome to my another video. Today I am going to unbox this boat Nirvanaa Triple Divers earphones. As you can see, wow, you can see the earphones right from here, and you can see the price. The price is it's quite premium because it's triple diver earphones. That's why, but it cost around 4,000. That actually it's a budget earphones in because of this triple divers, because normally the triple divers we get it's quite expensive like other companies, but both Nirvanaa triple divers you get at just rupees 4,000. But this is not the price. If you buy it online at Flipkart or Amazon, you will get it for 2,500 or something like that. The two, as you can see here, it is mentioned the two drivers are these dynamic drivers, and the one is the balance armature. It will give you a better bass, and this cable is also let's unbox it quickly. As you can see the packaging and this box, it's quite premium. Wow, you can see this boat pouch we get. So here you can put it. The quality is good, as you can see the pouch. Let's see. Wow, you can get ample of this birds, small, medium, large, as you can see. And this cable is also very good quality. As you can see, it's very thin, and you get this boat band. It looks good. And here are some manual and warranty guide, or something. Let's unbox this earphone. As you can see, this box is made up of plastic. I can say the packaging is very good quality packaging. This cable is around the 1.2 meter length. As you can see it is the metal grill. It looks very good and premium, and the rest body is made up of the plastic, as you can see, and these are some silicone rubber used. I thought in this price range we'll get a metal body or something like that, but we didn't get. Here it is, and you can see this jack. It's a 3.5 mm gold plated jack. And you can see over here you get these 3 buttons: inline remote control. One is volume up, and middle one is the play or pause, or last is the volume down. And here it is the board branding, as you can see, and here it is the microphone, as you can take calls or reject or accept. Or as I can say that the weight distribution of these earphones is done very well. It's very lightweight, I can say. And let's talk about the sound quality. I used it around 1 week, so I'm sharing my experience. So the sound quality is very good, and the mid are very crispy and clear, and the vocals are sounds warm and mellow. And this is the high frequency response is also good. The bass is also awesome because of the dual dynamic drivers. As you can see, and even the mic quality is very good for taking call, for conversation and all. In this price point, it should be the metal body. I think it should be, because it's a boat branded and we are getting the boat branded in very cheap price. But for this price range 4000, so I think it should be a metal. So this was my unboxing video of both Nirvanaa Triple Divers. So if you like this video, you just hit that subscribe button, and thank you.